Afternoon guys, magandang tanghali sa inyo. Ito tayo, going back to our video coverage, no? Medyo matagal na, pero just wanna show up lang talaga kung ano yung kakainin ko ngayon after ng 19 hours of intermittent fasting. Papakita ko lang yung food ko, and grateful ako kasi tatandaan ko 3 years na akong naglo-low carb with intermittent fasting every single day. And guys, grateful talaga ako kasi na maraming benefits talaga ang ginagawa natin tong LCIF. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang, clean low carb parati tayo, don't give up, just keep on doing what is right. Maririp din natin yung harvest natin someday. Kaya guys, ito lang, papakita ko yung food ko sa inyo. Here you are. Eggs. Wala kasi ako masyadong combination ng maraming ulam ngayon, kaya itong eggs ko 4 up this afternoon, mamayang 6 o'clock 4 din, bali 8 eggs to guys, 8 eggs. Tapos yung ulam ko, isa lang talaga to kasi medyo budget talaga tayo, medyo budget. Sino nagsasabing hindi natin kayang bumili ng ulam na kahit na isa lang pero nutrient dense naman, di ba? Ito guys, ulam ko ngayon, nilaga akong balat ng baboy at saka sinamahan ko ng konting baka. Mura lang naman yung baka pagka kahit na konti, basta ma-meet up mo lang yung needs mo, and nutrient dense naman to bawi-bawi na lang some other time. Kaya guys, go low carb tayo parati, maririp din natin yung benefit nito. Tandaan nyo, maganda talagang lifestyle na to, at talagang naniniwala ako na this is a step towards healthy living talaga. God bless you guys. See you on the next video. Pakita ko sa inyo marami pa. Sensya na, medyo natagalan ng konti, pero God loves us always. He is always there for us. Keep on shining for God's glory. Love you guys.